Quality chemical Oxy-Gone rust remover does more than clean metal surfaces by chemically converting existing rust into a stable barrier that helps prevent it from coming back. Instead of requiring multiple products, this treatment takes a heavily rusted, flaky surface and leaves it ready for paint in a single application step after basic prep work. Its carefully balanced formula, built around phosphoric acid and specialized additives, is strong enough to break down stubborn corrosion while still being practical for shop or home use when handled correctly. Because it leaves an inert, paintable finish, it is especially useful for restoring automotive parts, tools, outdoor equipment, and other metal items that would otherwise be difficult to save. The product is non-flammable, which adds a welcome layer of safety when working in garages, basements, or job sites where open flames or sparks may be present. A 1-gallon container provides enough material to tackle multiple projects, making it a solid choice for anyone dealing with recurring rust problems on a variety of metal surfaces.